Here we have the Windy SR28 CC. This particular model has been specified with the T-top. It has a Yamaha F300 outboard and a wakeboard pole on the back. Seating in the aft cockpit for 4 to 5 people, and in the forward bathing area there is a table that will go down with cushions that go over the top for a bigger sunbathing pad area. Down in the cabin there is a bed that sleeps 2, and there's also a heads that's tucked away and out of the way. If you'd like any further information, please get in touch.